My plan today is we start with some general introduction because directly cases with bombshell, it's not possible. We start gradually, and we have the entire day with us, and then I would be taking my pet subject, that's atherosclerosis, because today atherosclerosis, we have maximum work centered on atherosclerosis, of course, hypertension, rheumatic heart disease, acute infections of the heart, then cardiomyopathies, congestive cardiac failures, congenital heart disease, arrhythmias, and all are beautiful subjects. They're vast, and the management, of course, requires great amount of knowledge, basic knowledge. So, whatever basic knowledge of cardiology we have start reviving that, and slowly and gradually understand that homeopathy cardiac cases are so easy to manage. इसलिए डर है कार्डियक केसेस, हार्ट अटैक का केसेस, कुछ हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा हमारे पास, अरे आ जाएगा तो क्या है, नॉट ऑल पेशेंट्स डाई, वी विल सी दैट. व्हाई होम्योपैथी कार्डियोलॉजी, क्यों होम्योपैथी नहीं, जबरदस्ती कार्डियोलॉजी होगा लेबल लगा लगाना, ऐसा भी पीपल कुड हैव आस्क्ड मी दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो. It happened in 1997. I was doing my DNB medicine. At the same time BHMS भी कर रहा था. From two different universities, Maharashtra University of Health Sciences and Nagpur University. So two different universities you can do 2 degrees. DNB is the Diploma International Board, Delhi. So no problem. But that was done in Medical College Nagpur. Now Medical College Nagpur is this side, and only 2 kilometers is that homeopathic college where I was doing. मटर मेडिका की एग्ज़ाम थी, तो सर आज फोन MM की एग्ज़ाम है, आप आ जाओ एग्ज़ाम दे दो. एग्ज़ाम, एंड आई वॉज परमानेंटली पोस्टेड इन दैट ICCU. एंड ऑल ऑफ मस्ट हैव सीन कार्डियक कैथ लैब. अगर एक्चुअल नहीं देखा होगा तो पिक्चर में देखा ही होगा. एक टेबल रहता है where the actual angiography is done, and there is a side room where computers are kept. So actual all doctors are sitting there, computer room में. And one angiography was going on. It was about say 10:30, quarter to 11. I came, इतना बड़ा बैग लेके, उसके अंदर बोरिक्स मेट्रामेडिका सब थी, whatever is required. I came and to my guide, he is DM card. अरे आदिल बोले, अच्छा लगता है कि PG students इतनी बड़ी बैग थैला लेके थोड़ा ना घूमते हैं. PG students means small booklets. I mean, in the hand. Only small school going children carry थैलास. I said sir है वो करके रख दिया. So what happened was, I kept that bag and बोले जा patient का angiography हो रहा है. I said okay. So I went there and I started doing my work. फिर वापस आया, तब तक he took out बोरिक्स मेट्रामेडिका. अरे बोले ये तो होम्योपैथी किताब है. I said हाँ सर, मेरे फादर होम्योपैथ है, my father is also homeopath. तो वो आ गई होगी. उनको कहाँ बताने जाओ कि I am doing BHMS also. And because they have a very strict mindset, allopathy means allopathy, homeopathy, शक्कर गोली. Anyway, अब उस टाइम पे very innocently this book was in his hand, and very innocently मेरे को भी और उनको ये करना करा. तो I showed him, सर एक ड्रग है बोले होम्योपैथी में, क्राइटिकस. क्या है?
Heart failure.
नहीं, you read this.
In the beginning of heart, arteriosclerosis.
Arteriosclerosis said to have
a solvent power upon crustaceous and calcareous
deposits in the arteries. Arteriosclerosis ठीक है, तब तक भी ठीक है. Said to have a crustaceous, or said to have a solvent power, that means can dissolve the crustaceous and calcareous deposits in the arteries. अभी मुझे पता था, अनफॉर्चुनेटली बता दिया. थायोसिनेमो, THIO.
A resolvent externally.
A resolvent externally and internally for dissolving what कितना सारा दिखाया, what? Scar tissues. Tumors. Enlarged glands. Lupus means tuberculosis. Strictures, whether mitral stenosis का stricture, whether urethral stricture or fallopian tube stricture, whichever stricture. Adhesions. Ectropion. Eye.
Opacities of cornea. Ophthalmologist की छुट्टी. हाँ. Cataracts. Ankylosis. Fibroids. And scleroderma. अब क्या बचा?
We have covered everything, one single drug. I am not, he is this person is written. होता है कि नहीं मालूम नहीं. अब मुझे पता था. Acetic acid, first paragraph, last line. Acetic acid has the power
to liquefy albuminous and fibrinous deposits.
And my dear friends, I can go on and show you drugs which has written this. तक तो बोरिक झूठ है या we are wrong. And unfortunately I showed him all these. कि सर होम्योपैथी में भी है. तो okay, he said कि होम्योपैथी में हो. He did not say anything. Then I बोले उनका एंजियोप्लास्टी करने का, there was that person जिसका एंजियोग्राफी हो गया था, he had got one single block, single vessel disease. So his angioplasty had to be done. तो everything was inside only, catheter and all, and उसका relatives को inform करना था कि are you willing for angioplasty? तो बोले रोक दे एंजियोप्लास्टी. बोला ठीक है, why क्यों रोक देने का सर? एक काम कर, तू जल्दी से जा एंड क्राइटिकस लेके आ. बोले क्या? अब एज इट इज बोले वायर यहाँ तक डाला ही हुआ है, इंस्टेड ऑफ इंजेक्टिंग हेपेरिन वी इंजेक्ट क्राइटिकस. Not wow, that was slap on my face. And from that day I said, sir,
आज तो मेरे गाइड है आप. I can't do anything today, but I will prove it to you. Homeopathy actually सब चीजें सच है. You will see how it goes. And that is why homeopathy cardiology, homeopathy cardiology. पता तो चले सर काम करता कि नहीं
करता. दो ही चीज होगा ना, नहीं करेगा काम या करेगा काम. तो करेगा काम तो फिर दिखेगा भी. So that वो जुनून आया था homeopathy cardiology. And it basically you are not supposed to start clinics in your PG days. You can't start a clinic. वो सब
PG बाद में देखते बैठेंगे. This was on 23rd July. This episode happened on 23rd July. 19th September is my birthday. So May को I have to start my clinic by May. And that guide will inaugurate my
clinic, homeopathic cardiology clinic. And from then on 1997 से लेके आज तक 2011 we have started, and the journey, my dear friends, has been a fantastic one. तो एक जुनून चाहिए एक ऐसे एक काम करने के लिए. मैक्सिमम क्या पेशेंट नहीं आएंगे, कमाई नहीं करेंगे, तो MBBS MD तो है ही ना, DNB, जनरल होम्योपैथी कर लेंगे. पर उससे पता चल जाएगा ये जो झूठ है, दिस इज मैड पर्सन. यह पता चल जाएगा कि जो लिखा है वो सच. ये तो मर गया लेकिन इसने हमारे पास कुछ छोड़ के गया ना. So, and हमारे authors, if you have read homeopathy, our authors have written so many, कितने bold statement. Diphtheria last paragraph. अरे बोनिंगहाउसन को आए हुए कितने 3 साल हुए होम्योपैथी में. यार ने भी रेपर्टरी लिखी 1835 में एंड बोनिंगहाउसन में 1836 में लिखी. Hahnemann could accept Boninghaussen's repertory. Yar was 3 volumes were discarded. Bonninghausen was no one. A botanist, a lawyer. But the book he has written is never till date not been challenged. Borik ने addition किया, Boger ने sorry, but Boger could not change this. Kent को नहीं पता BBCR, तो he shifted, he made another repertory. But he could not modify that repertory. Hahnemann का repertory कौन सा था? फ्रैगमेंटा रिवर्बिस मेडिकामेंटोरियम से पॉजिटिविस्ट, वो इतना लंबा नाम. Hahnemann ने खुद बनाई हुई रेपर्टरी was discarded by Hahnemann, and ultimately he used for throughout his life BB that Boninghaussen's repertory. एक 3 साल का आया हुआ आदमी जब इतना कर सकता है, तो आप 10-10 साल पढ़ रहे हैं तो हमने क्या अंगूठा छापे क्या? It's not a joke, my dear friends. थोड़ा तो आना चाहिए. A person of absolute non-background, कितना inclination to philosophy of homeopathy, if he can achieve it, why can't we? Today it's a well developed for science, and that is why homeopathic cardiology. And see the guts of this man. क्या लिखता है? क्या लिखा है? We are reading about diphtheria. It need not be given.
It need not and should not be repeated too frequently.
Okay, agree. Diphtheria should not be repeated frequently. Understand? उसके बाद.
It will cure in every case.
It will cure. Now see, this gentleman is referring the word cure, and he's not just saying cure. We definitely use the word cure where we Hahnemannian cure अलग रहता है and palliation is अलग. He's using the word cure.